In this video, I'm going to show you how to export as MP3 file in Pro Tools. Now to do this, you want to go to the top left and click on File, and then from here you want to click on Bounce Mix. You could also press Ctrl plus Alt plus B on your keyboard, and it's going to open up this Bounce Mix window. Now in here you want to give your file a name. I'm going to name this one, for example, tutorial audio, like this. Oops. Okay. And now over here under export type, it's important you actually change from WAV to MP3. So just click on here to open up the drop down, click on MP3, and that's really all you have to do. Now after this over here, of course, you can change the mix source, the audio, and then location as well. So I'm just going to click on choose over here, and I'm just going to select my downloads folder for this one. There we go. And I'm going to click on open. Okay. Now I'm going to click on use current folder. There we go. And now from here, I'm going to click on bounce. And whenever you do this, it's going to allow you to select the encoder to kind of change the things over here, as well as, of course, your tag info, such as the title, artist, album, and comments. And then you can go ahead and click on OK over here, and it's going to start preparing and bouncing. And whenever that's done, you can check inside your computer files. Your audio is going to be ready wherever you saved it, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.